Our big idea is responsible consumption and production.
What should we do with the leftover rice?
In order to reduce the usage of plastic pots for gardening plants and flowers, we present to you bee pots, a sustainable alternative to the plastic pots that are currently in high demand due to the pandemic trend for gardening at home.
The usage of plastic is harmful to the environment, and it takes many centuries to decompose, creating a huge sum of waste in the environment. This project may increase awareness among the community about the harmful effect of plastic pollution on the environment by promoting the usage of bioplastic gardening pots made from household waste as a sustainable alternative to plastic pots.
This project does not merely reduce the consumption of plastic pots, but it also increases people's awareness for sustainable development and lifestyles in harmony with nature.
Our challenge is to promote the usage of bee pots, a sustainable alternative to plastic pots.
Our objective is to increase awareness among the community about the harmful effects of plastic pollution on the environment by promoting the usage of bioplastic gardening pots made from household waste as a sustainable alternative to plastic pots.
The main issue that we are addressing is the fact that plastic is detrimental to the ecosystem, as it can take up to 1,000 years to degrade. As time goes on, it gets more difficult to manage massive amounts of waste. Apart from that, plenty of leftovers are simply being thrown away. There has been a rise in demand for gardening pots during this pandemic, as many people have decided to plant their own vegetables or flowers. These flower pots are typically made of plastic, a non-biodegradable material that can pollute both land and water. Making a bee pot is actually easier than it might seem. First of all, as mentioned before, the main ingredients are coffee grounds, some leftover rice, cooking oil, and fruit peels. For this project, we have experimented with banana peels and orange rind. All the ingredients should be combined into a dough-like mixture, and it would turn out looking like this. The dough should then be shaped into a pot. In order to do this, we have used some cups as molds. The soon-to-be pots are then dried and hardened, and
voila!
The advantages of this project is that it can help to reduce the consumption of plastic pots that are harmful to the environment. Not only that, the procedure is very simple to follow, and it's low cost as we can get the materials from our household waste. It can also increase people awareness for sustainable development and lifestyles in harmony with nature.
As there were limitations in the implementation of this project, we have substituted field studies with online surveys through Google Forms. When asked how they would manage waste at home, some said that they would give leftover food to birds or pets, while others would choose to throw all their waste into the rubbish bin. About 30% of our respondents have never heard of the term bioplastic before. 50% of them have stated that they use products made of plastic because it is easy to find, whereas 50% of our participants agreed that plastic was cheap, long-lasting, and easy to use or handle. Furthermore, only 65% of our respondents have reused domestic waste. Besides that, we have also promoted our project on social media. Our future plan is to implement this campaign in school. Teachers and students could make these pots together during activity time, and they could be used to plant veggies and flowers to decorate the school premises. We hope that this campaign and solution of ours is able to create awareness among others, as it can not only teach students to reduce consumption on plastics, but it also encourages people to be more responsible consumers and protects the environment as well.